ये इतने वर्जन निकाल दिए लोगों
जी।
ने, सीता के वर्जन से रामायण निकाली, उसमें तो पूरी कहानियां अलग थी।
जी।
एक किसी ने मुझे बताया कि पहले साड़ियां इसलिए पहनाते थे ताकि महिलाएं भाग ना सके दौड़ के।
नहीं, उसमें प्लीट्स होती हैं, मैं तो भाग चुकी हूँ साड़ी में। बहुत रेस लगा, मैराथन कर सकती
मैंने कहा मतलब रामायण के एक्चुअली इतने वर्जन आ गए,
हूँ।
सीता
जी।
के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, इनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
जी।
से, हर इंसान ने अपनी एक नई रामायण बना ली।
It's true. But that's the beauty of these stories, don't you feel? Like it's interesting to know the POV from each person's character. I've read books where I've actually read books on Mandodari because now I'm doing the role of Mandodari, and for me it's very fascinating. I love this subject. It's like a subject of interest. So I've read books of Mandodari, where, like I said, there are some stories where she's Sita's mom. And that's why she says that it's not okay for Ravan to kidnap her. She's our daughter. So there are different stories. But the interesting part of Mandodari is that she's actually an architect. And this is my favorite version. She's actually an architect, and Ravan wants to build Lanka to be the most beautiful place on planet Earth. And he kidnaps her. Maybe he had a habit of kidnapping people. He kidnaps her and he takes her back to Lanka and he marries her. And Mandodari's father, Vishwakarma, right? I think. I'm not sure.
मैं भी थोड़ा डाउट हूँ इसलिए।
Yeah, well, I'm not sure of. I think it was Vishwakarma. Vishwakarma थी ना सबसे बड़े आर्किटेक्ट
हाँ
जिन्होंने
हाँ
सबका
हाँ
है ना
हाँ हाँ।
हाँ तो she was Vishwakarma's daughter. So Vishwakarma says no, and they get married despite the father's approval, and together they build Lanka and make it Sone ki Lanka. So then she sees the downfall. She understands that this is going to happen to her husband, and she says no. Of course, abhi picture mein ye itna sab detail. It's not Mandodari story. It's Ramayan. So we are focusing on Ram and Sita.
There can be a film on Mandodari.
Guys, I hope you're listening.
कोई नहीं, उनका पता नहीं, बट हम एक पॉडकास्ट कर लेंगे मंदोदरी पे।
Done.
आई थिंक मंदोदरी पे एक स्पेशल ओनली ऑन मंदोदरी।
Yeah.
कितने सारे वर्जन्स हैं।
And when Hanumanji goes to Lanka to find Sita Mata, he first thinks that Mandodari Sita, because he was so enamored by her. And then he realizes that that's not Sita.